Good afternoon. Today we're going to learn how to sharpen an axe. The way I like to do it is to have a log for support, a couple of pegs to put pressure against to hold the axe firmly in spot or in location. What I use is a file. The lines across the face of the file are the teeth. I always wear gloves to protect my hands. The file only sharpens when you push it away. If you drag it back across the blade, it'll break off the teeth and ruin the file. I always sharpen with firm, even strokes, and after I filed on one side of the bit from the heel to the toe, then I'll turn it around and do the other side. You can see that we're outside while we're doing this, and under bright light, a dull edge will reflect the light. So you continue to file across the edge until all those lines disappear.